Hello my dear viewers, and today we're going to have a look at a unit that has just been listed up for sale. It is located in the wonderful residency of Aligio, and the residency itself is located right on the ocean front. And one of the main features of this residency is that it is a benchmark for real estate quality. Here we have wonderful apartment units with 2 and 3 bedrooms, and also here we have some penthouses available. And today we're going to have a look at a penthouse. Now this penthouse was built and designed for the person themselves and not to be rented out. So here we have individual tastes when it comes to furniture. I've seen a lot of units, usually the interior and the decor is pretty standard that the developers themselves install, but in this unit, the owner chose everything for themselves. Now this unit has 2 bedrooms, however this is a very interesting opportunity. The owner is from France and he lives here by himself, and the reason why he decided to list this unit is because he is moving. So in this unit he personally did everything so that there is 1 bedroom and 1 office room. And of course, if you choose to buy this unit, you can redo everything and make the cabinet, the office space, into a 2nd bedroom. This is the first time I see something like this in Aligio. In this unit, everything is specific to the person. And you can see that the person invested themselves into this unit. And these units are my personal favorite, where the owner put themselves into this unit and designed it to the way they deem fit. So please subscribe to my channel, hit the like button, leave a comment if you found this video helpful, and please watch this video to the end. I'll show you a lot of interesting things. So let's go have a look. Now, this is a luxury residency that is considered upper middle class. A lot of people rent out the units that they bought here on a day-to-day basis. Plus, a lot of people live here. And a little bit later on, I'll tell you all the prices concerning how much money you can make off of renting out units here. And I'd like for you guys to pay attention to all the greenery that is surrounding us on this territory. Also, I'd like to add that this residency is guarded 24/7. So my dear viewers, here we are at this unit. It is located on the 2nd floor. So here is the penthouse itself. We have a very big terrace and it has a marquise over it right here. So here on the terrace, you have this lounge area. You have this feeling as if you are inside, however you are outside. And please look at the interior decor. All the furniture, all the appliances were ordered and installed according to the personal tastes of the owner. So everything here is custom made. However, I right away see that everything here is custom and not standard. Also, everywhere right here we have some cameras. For security reasons, the countertops are made of the best material. So you can see for yourself all the kitchen appliances, everything that is necessary is here. Here we have the refrigerator, a lot of storage space, closet space for your kitchen, spices, goods, etc. Also, I'd like to add that in these units, each unit has its own dishwashing machine. And y'all might think that, what's the big deal, a dishwashing machine? Not every unit. A lot of units here in the Dominican Republic do not have that. So keep that in mind. Now, I don't know why they don't install them everywhere, but this is a rarity when you see a unit that has a dishwashing machine. So also have a look at this cozy living room area that we have right in front of us. And also I have to mention that the color palette is also very interesting and unique. Green mint type of hue. And you can see for yourselves that this is not your typical furniture in the Dominican Republic. Everything was custom made. Yeah, it's all pretty original, especially not just the furniture, but the color of the furniture with the yellow and the green mint color. So here we have a big screen TV, a lot of books here. The lighting here is also very interesting, and the terrace itself is very big and spacious, as you can see for yourself. It's a double terrace. Also, I'd like to add, like I said in the beginning of the video, we have 2 bedrooms here. And the surface area of this unit is 2,599 square feet, well, 2,600 square feet. That's included with all the terraces. So I think we have a very interesting bed here. It's a wooden frame. So this is the master bedroom. And also I might add that there's a lot of natural light, a lot of windows here. 1, 2, 3 windows actually. Now this is a high-end residency, like I said before. Everything here is very detailed. They thought out every little detail, so that's why you have a lot of windows, a lot of light coming in. So, like I said, this is the master bedroom. Everything here is laid out as it should be. The owner lives by himself, as you can see. And right here to our side, we have the walk-in closet, a small closet space. And you can see that, you know, the way the owner organizes everything in this unit, that he put himself into it. He thought everything out. He's a very specific man. Now, of course, you can close this closet with this door right here, so you have a little privacy. So this bedroom has a walk-in closet, a lot of natural light. It's pretty big and spacious in of itself. All the furniture and all the appliances in this bedroom are of the best of quality. And here we have a view into the backyard, into the inner court. And here we're going to have a look at the bathroom. This is a full bathroom that goes with this bedroom. Here we have a very big mirror and also more windows. Everything in this bathroom was also custom made and ordered specifically for the owner. Some might add this interesting feature: the door is sliding in the shower. Usually it just opens or it's just a standalone structure. So he custom ordered a sliding door for himself. Now we're going to have a look at bedroom number 2, the office room. It was laid out and planned to be just like the first bedroom. However, the owner, thinking that he just needs one bedroom, made an office space out of this bedroom. And here we have a half bathroom. Nothing special, typical half bathroom. You can see for yourselves, guys. So in these units, you usually have 2.5 bathrooms with your 2 bedrooms. Each bedroom has a bathroom plus the guest bathroom, or the half bathroom, as you can call it. So here is the gentleman's office. You can see here's all his books, his work area. So it's pretty nice. The owner just recently bought himself a television set. It's right here, plasma, brand new. And also right here, my dear viewers, we have a sofa. You can pull it out and make it into a bed. So your guests can, if you have any, can stay here, spend the night. And also right here we have another bathroom. Here we have the sinks, a very big mirror. Typical compact bathroom. I don't really have much to say here, except here's the toilet. You can see for yourself it's separate. And right here we have the showering area, the shower itself. I'd also like to point out that everywhere here we have windows that lets in airflow that combats mold, and that is very important, guys. I will not get tired of repeating it. This is very important. Keep an eye out for this when you're purchasing real estate here in the Dominican Republic. All in all, I have to say it's very clean and nice in here, as if they did renovations just yesterday. And now we're going to have a look at the second floor. So here you take the stairs and go up to the second floor. And up here we have a jacuzzi, and we'll just see for ourselves how they use this extra terrace area in these units. Usually a lot of the owners of these units don't pay a lot of attention to their terrace area. However, this owner took a lot of care of it. As you can see for yourself, we're like literally in a tropical little garden. So we're surrounded by a lot of flowers, a lot of greenery. Even from here out in the distance, we have a view to the ocean. So out there we have the ocean, and the ocean is located about some 300 odd feet from us. So just literally the neighboring building and the one from the left on the side, and there you have the ocean. And that is the beach Punta Papi. This is one of the biggest upsides of the residency Aligio, is that it is right on the ocean front. And from this side right here, we have a view of the territory itself. So here we have the pool that is covered right now, and the neighboring buildings right here. And we also have a view of the mountains. And I just have to say, all in all, it's very homely, very cozy, very beautiful here. And also it's very quiet and peaceful here. So you live here right on the ocean with the view, with all the amenities, in total peace, and just enjoy life. So I'd like to add that in this residency we have 2 pools, a bar, cafe, and a restaurant, a gym, a spa, and also it's a 5-minute walk from all your stores and the fish market, so everything is accessible by foot. This is a high quality residency. Everything is available here. It's very comfortable, and it's in a key location. Aligio is one of the best residencies in Las Terrenas. And so here we have the jacuzzi, and we have a wonderful second area. The first one is downstairs. Here is on the second floor, a wonderful lounge area. Here you can get all your friends in and you can spend time together. So also I'd like to add right here we have a mini bar, a cooking area if you have guests up here, or if you just want to cook and spend time upstairs on the second terrace. You have a sink, a little refrigerator, a small gas stove. Also have electrical wiring here so you can put things on charge or have your kitchen appliances up here. Everything is thought out, is all I want to say. Everything is wonderful here. I've seen a lot of units in Las Terrenas and in other cities here in the Dominican Republic, and this is one of the nicer ones. It has everything that you need. It's well thought out, and I think that's its biggest upside. So I think this is a wonderful opportunity for you guys. And right here we have the technical room with the laundry and everything. So this is a laundry room and a pantry room in one. My dear viewers, that's about it. This is the penthouse that has just been listed up for sale. It has 2 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms, with a lot of terrace space, with a jacuzzi, all the furniture and everything included, 2,600 square feet, all for a price of $475,000 US dollars. So about $182 per square foot. And considering that this unit is also located in Aligio, this is a wonderful deal and a wonderful opportunity. And for those of you that are interested in purchasing or acquiring this property, all my contact information is in the description below. Hit me up, and I will see you next time in my next videos. Goodbye and have a wonderful day.